Alright everyone, this may actually be the best keychain based multi-tool you can find. It has the most excellent set of spring-loaded scissors that you will find on a keychain based multi-tool. Plus, it still has a great functional set of pliers with wire cutters. And if that's not enough to tell you that this may just be the best keychain based multi-tool, it has a 8CR 14 MOV blade, which is going to perform quite well considering that this thing is $35. So what are you doing? Go get one.